Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to discuss about revision planning for class 10th ICSE Maths 2024. So these are the most important chapters for class 10th Maths. First is statistics. This will be of 12 marks. Circle, it is of 11 marks. Trigonometry, it is of 12 marks. Ratio and proportion, it can be of 8 marks. Remember, there can be the variation of 1-2 marks in these chapters. After revising these all chapters, you can revise these two chapters, factorization, AP and GP. From these two chapters, you can score 5 to 6 marks. Once you will finish the revision of these all chapters, you can revise these chapters: GST, RD, reflection, linear inequation and probability. For these chapters, you have to learn only one formula, and with that you can solve the full exercise. Now let us discuss in detail from these 6 chapters which topics are very important. So first chapter is statistics. Here 3 topics are very important: ogive, mean and graph. In ogive, there may be 2 types of questions. The question it may come from the topic graph study, and it can be related to draw the ogive, and in both type questions will remain same, and these questions are related to median, upper quartile, frequency, score between. And then next topic is mean. For mean, table will be given, and you need to find out the mean of the given data by using step deviation and shortcut method. Any one method will come in the exam. Then last one is the graph question. This is related to histogram, and in this question you have to find out the mode of the data. And in MCQ you have to prepare the definitions: mean, median, mode and quartile. And the next chapter is the circle, which is of 11 marks. So from circle chapter also one MCQ will come, and in MCQ you need to prepare this topic with parallel tangents, find the angle, definitions. And 2 topics are related to a known angle. In the first case, line 1 is perpendicular to line 2, and in the second unknown angle, tangent to the circle, it may be given, and you need to prove that L1 is parallel to L2, and you may have to find out the length of the tangents. So next is the cyclic quadrilateral. In this question also, tangent to the circle, it will be given. So next chapter is the trigonometry. It can be of 12 marks. Here we have only 2 types. First is related to trigonometric identity, and second is the application of the trigonometry. And in this type you need to find out the distance, like base, perpendicular and hypotenuse. Any one value will be missing, and you need to find it out. So one angle and one side will be given in these questions. So for trigonometric identity, you should know the square identities also, like a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square. So these topics are very important from trigonometry chapter. For MCQ, you need to learn all the formulas like t ratios, condition, and there may be the question related to find the distance. So next is ratio and proportion. It can be of 8 marks, and 2 topics are very important from this chapter. First is continued proportion, and second is componendo and dividendo. And here in componendo and dividendo method, you should know the square identities and cube identities. And for MCQs, there may be the question related to missing values, mean, proportion, then factorization and AP/GP. These will be of 6 marks, and two topics are very important. Factorize completely. This topic is very important. So I think last exercise it is related to factorize completely. So here the question it may be related to factor theorem and remainder theorem. So here again you need to find out the a, and in this type of question x minus a will be the factor of fx. And in MCQ you may have to find out the value of k. APGP, find the missing number of GP, and AP, it can be related to AP. There you must know the term formula. First term you must know common difference, sum formula. And in MCQ there may be the question related to identification, like you need to identify that the given sequence is AP or GP. And again the formulas are very important. So this is all about the revision planning for class 10th ICSE Maths.